Hello all. Seems this one has been giving everybody a bit of a headache. With Sam, it's not actually giving you the full description of what you need to do. In the book, textbook, go to, I think it's 3-104. But anyway, when you go to do this one, launch here. Okay. It says update the table of figures to match with the captions of table. Alright, so go to our references, go to captions. You'll notice that the update table is grayed out. So, how do I do it? Do not use the insert caption. Go to insert table of figures. Your table of figures dialog box will come up right here. Click on it and put table, so you'll see it change table 1, blah blah, table 1, table 5, table 1 through 5. Click OK. This Microsoft Word box comes up. Okay, so just click OK and you'll get the correct answer. Hope this helps. Now, do these a few times up to the 5 limits or whatever they're marked at, and then move on. I put those extra credit points in there for everybody. So, let's move on. Okay? Good luck.